Pheasant Chukar hunt here with George and Mario. We're gonna go with the guide here. So we're gonna start this field up right here.
He's a pointer.
Okay.
But he also knows the pheasant.
There's one here, guys.
Keep walking up. Walk up. Yeah, walk up.
There's one here.
Yep. Don't make fun of that. He's looking right at it.
I don't know who was that. I shot two.
You guys, we got 3 cameras going here. You'll be able to tell.
Here, buddy.
He doesn't bring them back, Steve. He just kills them and drops them.
Hey, buddy.
Nope, he's not bringing it back.
I got this cockbird down.
I got it, Steve. There's a fat one coming out there.
There he goes. He's on point, guys.
Look at me, you guys. Somebody's got to go through around the other side. Yeah, that's going to be a point. Now, yeah. George, stay right there. Steve.
I'm good here.
He's on the floor, it's ahead. He's on the floor, keep running, there you go.
All right, George got that one down. Nice one, Georgie. Hen down. George got that hen. Here we got a limit of 5 birds per hunter, so we got 15 here between chukar and pheasant. And we got that German shorthair pointer there working with us today. The dog seems like he found one there. Oh, he's on point.
Right, ready, Steve. Ready, bud.
Tell me, I already got 2.
Where is it?
There it is.
Bird down. Got that hen down. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. So that's the hen I shot down.
You walk with me, Steve.
He's right dead in front of me.
Yeah, looking at me, right?
Oh, I see it.
He's locked.
No, he's there. I see the bird.
He's staring right at the bird.
He's staring at the bird now.
Was my dog blocking it there?
No, a little bit. He was blocking it from leaving, yes.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's what he does.
There he goes. That was you, Mario. Nice, beautiful day. It'll be January. Look at 39 degrees right now.
Hey, Steve.
Yeah.
Stay right there. He's looking at it.
Okay, it looks like the dog found the bird.
I'm sorry.
I didn't even know that they had birds.
Yep. I had a guy here with a cat. I told him his dog had a seizure. I told him what it was. Tell me what you did. Now you can.
Bird down. All right, so we're getting these birds.
This jungle in here is what the problem is. I'm gonna make him look right at it. Scott, find it! 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 Find it!
This bird is not picking up.
Find it! Find it! Find it! Find it! Find it! Okay!
Bird down. I got this hen down here.
Hey, leave it alone.
Oh, it's right there.
You ever had
That's a nice shot there.
Yeah, came out good when it came out.
Mary's waiting there. I'm in this corner here. And we got a runner through here.
He's looking right at it right here.
George got her. Nice, Georgie. We're gonna exchange the dog because another one of the dogs got hurt, and the dog that was working with us works with the other guy. So we're gonna use another dog for the remainder of the hunt, which is fine. So far, we haven't missed any birds that came up. All right, so that's the brother of the dog we just hunted with. So there's another German short hair pointer.
Yep, another short hair.
Yeah, Mario saw the dog looking.
Right here. Oh, actually, he stopped right there. That's the point. Is he looking at me?
Yeah, he's looking
He's
towards
back a little bit.
Definitely on point. Yep.
Let's see. Nice shot, George.
No, I think that was Mario.
That's what it is.
See now, he's biting it on the rib cage. He's killing it.
Oh.
See, he's biting it on the rib cage. Oh, that one got out of the pen. Heel. Still have blinders on. You got a handicap bird. Heel.
There goes.
Oh, Steve. You get down the other side. Look, there could be some chuckers in this field.
Looks like he's looking right at the bird.
He is. All right, radar.
Let's see. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I see it. I saw it, didn't pick up.
Yep, it moved ahead of me.
It's a chucker. Bird down.
Oh my God! A
That,
photo come to save me.
that was Mary. You got him.
Listen, bring it. Cover falls down a little bit. Find it. Find it. Find it, radar.
Oh, it's right here in front of me.
Oh, you see
In
it?
front of me.
All right, Mario saw it already. Nice job, guys. Another chucker down. There go the chucker. Ron, let me see that chucker real quick. Let me see. Oh yeah, they got him nice. There you go. Now the dog sees a bird. I see it. It's a chucker.
All right, walk ahead a little bit.
It's a chucker. It's right here, guys. I think he's gonna fly towards you because he's facing that way.
You never can tell. There's going to be more than one here, right?
Guys, get ready. I'm about to pick up. Mario!
No, it's on the ground.
My dog chasing it?
Yeah. No, your dog went left, the bird went right.
Now you kind of did get him because I saw some feathers in the air.
Scare me, you can see it. Find it. Find it. Find it. Find it. Still moving here.
Yeah, I saw something move.
Still here. Find it. Still looking at it. Boy, this pair of chuckers split up. Oops. Right where I'm at.
Stepping on it. All right. 2 for 2. That one's on the... All right, George. Coming.
George got him on the 3. Nice, Georgie.
Oh, it's two. Well, we got 2 chucker on this side on the floor.
Okay, we're going to let that truck go by.
2 chucker on this side, Steve. I don't know if you want
2
to
chucker.
push up a little bit towards this way.
I got it.
Yeah, Mario saw them.
But they're both facing that way.
That must be 8. Where do you
Facing which way? They're right. Turn right a little bit towards 1 o'clock.
Are they outside? Or
They're on the trail already. Yeah, they're on the main road.
how far?
Right to the rest of you, 5 yards.
You need to come up. Look, walk ahead a little bit.
Right here, 10 yards out.
Radar, here it is.
Oh, I see it.
One is in here still. One is in here. The other one's over there.
He's gonna pick up. Nice, Mario. Got that one down.
Yep, one is in there.
Where's the other one?
In here. That's right, listen, let my dog get that one. We'll find it.
He got it. Call him over.
Nice job, buddy. That was Mario. Banged that chucker down.
Radar here.
Two, by the way.
There's another one in here still.
Yep. Find it.
So they were paired up together.
Find
They
it.
split.
They were staying out in the sun.
Yeah, they were sunbaking. Yes, they were.
Find it. This one went back in the
Oh, it's right here in front of me.
Yep.
5 yards.
You see it, Mario?
Listen, my dog gets upset. If you want to point, I'll take the dog home. Hey, it's a union dog. If you can't shoot, you point anytime, man.
Just a little South Jersey humor.
Mario already saw the chucker on the floor.
He's a good dog. You see
Right on the ground.
Yep, I see it. Side right here. Be ready, guys. I take 2 steps.
George, be
Coming up.
ready.
Can't fly.
That's a young one.
Yeah, can't fly that one. He's a rebel. Yep, home. He like Hunter.
What happened to the one he had there?
The one he had, he dropped over here.
Well, the dog picked that one up because he didn't want to get up.
See his head up high? He's not pointing, he's just looking. In front of
In front of us, right here.
What?
It's a hen, it's a hen, it's a hen. Going towards you, Steve. Coming out on your side.
Ah, I see. I just saw the ground shaking there.
Radar here.
Keep going forward.
He's like 5 yards in front of you.
Radar here. Let my dog find it first. Find it. Find it.
Keep going forward.
There you go.
Oh, we better kill this thing after all this. Find it.
It's there because I saw the bush move.
Yeah, no, it's there.
I see it.
Right there.
Find it.
He keeps repositioning.
He was hiding in there somewhere.
There he goes. There it goes.
She got hit.
Steve, did you get that one?
She got hit.
I'm all out of rounds, so I'm done.
What? Here, bro.
How many birds we got left?
Rounds,
Two.
buddy, but you know,
2 more birds?
I'll shoot 12. Not 20.
Yeah, I think it went down.
I'll help you guys.
I don't
My
know.
dog has it.
No, it went down.
It did?
Yeah, it went down.
It went down.
It wasn't hit that good, but it went down.
See? Right there. You know why?
There you go.
Yeah, because he blasted it last.
Mario did end up hitting that bird. Radar picked it up. And that's another chucker for the bag. Nice job, buddy.
Oh, boy. Oh, I see him right here.
What is it?
Come my way a little bit. The dog's actually focusing in on it. The chucker. It's right there. A couple feet in front of you. Here's 12 o'clock. Right there, right by your right foot. Right there. You're stepping on it. Right in front of you.
Yep.
Get ready, Steve.
Chucker down.
It was too until I stepped on the other one.
Nice job. There you go. Great time out here, guys. Definitely come try it. And oh, by the way, I was using my Stoeger Condor 20 gauge and number 6 Super Pheasant loads by Winchester, which as always it worked out great for me. Once again, guys, thank you for watching. I definitely recommend you guys come out here, do one of these preserve hunts, and thank you for watching. Take care. That's the other guys there. They're done with their hunt.
So I'm going to give you your ducks in 50.